Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on your Motorola Moto G22. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and from here start searching for an app. Write Firefox browser and hit the search button. Now select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we can open our app and from here customize it. First pick the theme from light, dark to automatic. I'm going to stick with the dark one. Choose a toolbar placement from bottom to top. Change always on privacy settings from standard to strict, however you want. And you can also sign in to sync other Firefox using devices. And then lastly, here is a privacy notice which you should read, and after all that, click start browsing and your browser is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.